angel tax, introduced through Section 56(2)(7)(b) of the Income Tax Act in 2012, required private companies to pay tax on the excess amount received for issuing shares beyond their fair market value. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The announcement by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to abolish the angel tax in the Budget 2024 presentation is a landmark decision that is set to provide significant relief and encouragement to both angel investors and startups. The removal of the angel tax is expected to unlock a larger flow of investments into startups, as investors will no longer be deterred by the tax implications of their investments. Domestic investors, including high net worth individuals and family offices, are likely to increase their investment activities in the startup sector given the removal of the additional tax burden. With this, the startup ecosystem and investors are much relieved and predict that this will further boost both domestic and foreign investments into the ecosystem. Number 1. Increased investment confidence. The abolition of the angel tax is expected to restore and boost investor confidence, encouraging more angel investors and venture capitalists to invest in startups without the fear of additional tax implications. Number 2. Attraction of foreign investment. The scrapping of the angel tax is also likely to attract more foreign investments into the Indian startup ecosystem, as international investors often viewed the tax as a deterrent. The abolition of the angel tax, as announced in the Budget 2024 presentation by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, is a transformative step for the Indian startup ecosystem. It not only removes a significant barrier to investment, but also sets the stage for accelerated growth, innovation, and economic development. Startups and investors are poised to benefit from this progressive policy change, paving the way for a thriving entrepreneurial landscape in India. Let's look into today's headlines. IESA and SSIA signed MOU to strengthen semiconductor ecosystem between India and Singapore. In a strategic initiative aimed at enhancing the ESDM ecosystems of India and Singapore, the Indian Electronics and Semiconductor Association, that is IESA, has entered into an MOU with the Singapore Semiconductor Industries Association, that is SSIA. IESA's commitment to enhancing India's global standing in the ESDM market through strategic partnerships, investments, joint ventures, vocational training, and technology collaborations is underscored by its landmark collaboration with SSIA. Apple launches its first developer beta version of Apple Intelligence. With the launch of the developer betas for iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1 and macOS Sequoia 15.1, Apple marked the introduction of its first set of artificial intelligence features known as Apple Intelligence. It is reported that the AI suite includes an updated Siri design with enhanced capabilities, smart reply and email summaries in mail, and natural language search in photos, among other things. Thales and Garuda Aerospace to promote development of the drone ecosystem in India. Thales and Garuda Aerospace have signed an MOU to promote the development of the drone ecosystem in India. This collaboration aims to foster innovation and to advance the development of technological solutions that can enable safe and secure drone operations and help the growth of drone-based applications in India. Vivo to commence manufacturing operations at its Greater Noida factory soon. The Chinese smartphone maker Vivo is optimistic about its India strategy, and it will soon commence manufacturing at its new facility in Greater Noida. The new plant is spread across almost 169 acres with a present annual production capacity of 60 million units. After becoming fully operational, the production capacity can be doubled to 120 million units, the company said in its annual India Impact Report 2023. LTTS and PS Technology to transform railways with advanced simulation technologies. L&T Technology Services and PS Technology, that is PST, a wholly owned subsidiary of Union Pacific Railroad, has announced a strategic partnership around mobility aimed at bringing cutting-edge simulation technology to the railways market in India and adjacent geographies. The companies will focus on the design, development, and supply of advanced AI-based simulation technologies poised to significantly enhance the operational efficiency and safety of rail infrastructure in India and overseas. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.